You can only send CYLE you actually have available. In case parts of your balance are locked, only unlocked CYLE are available to send to another account. To give you an example, we start the sending process by clicking on the MetaMask icon and basically following the steps we explained in detail in the Send CYLE video. We add tokens, enter the recipient address, and let's say we want to send 42 CYLE. We confirm the transaction, but it will fail because we try to send more CYLE than we actually have available, which are 36.11 CYLE in this case. Let's try again. This time sending 27 CYLE, an amount we do have available. Confirm, and everything works fine. Transaction confirmed, and the dashboard shows our balance adjusted accordingly. So bear in mind to check your available balance on the dashboard before sending CYLE to ensure a smooth sending process for you.